Mia was always quiet and hardworking, a student who did her best to meet her parents' high expectations. She rarely spoke of her struggles, keeping her stress hidden from everyone. She studied tirelessly, yet no matter how hard she tried, it never seemed to be enough. The constant pressure to maintain good grades slowly began to weigh on her, leaving her unsure of how to cope and making her vulnerable to unhealthy choices.
Mia, please answer the question. Dili na pwede. Dapat na kayo nabawaan. Wala, dili pwede magkata sa buko. Okay, i-mention ako kinsay complete o incomplete ha. Joy, complete, very good. Ana, complete, very good, sad. Mia, nga naman eh. Dagan mga missing activities. Mia. Mia, okay ra ka? Napansin ako na sige na ako natulog sa klase.
Dili ko kaya na. Huwag sa punong langit ko, kailangan ako padako ng akong grades.
Kaya lang na din mo. Ayaw naka-pressure kaysa mo na mag-isip ko study ako. Mia, nakita na mo mga scoring sa exam?
Oo, ikaw, pila ka?
Kasar ko ikaw?
Bagsak ihapon, maski yung saan study, bagsak.
Sige, uy na po may finals. Bawi na lang dyan, Ana. Mag-study na lang taron.
Depende lang. Pero sige.
Makatabang ni siya. Stress na siya lately. Mia, stop.
Dili ko okay.
Stress na sad ka. Ako na tagili. Mawala yung stress.
Ano na? Ano eh? Dili ko na.
Ay, kaya makatabang ni siya yung stress. Makatabang ni makawala.
Sure ka? Oo. Tanawon lang ako ah.
Some choices feel harmless at first, just a momentary escape from the pressures of life. But even small decisions can slowly change everything.
Saan naman si Mia, uy? Wala siya matubag.
Habits take hold, routines break down, and the person she used to be begins to slip away.
Hala, si Mia na to? Mia! 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 Mia, wala di naman ko nimutag doon. Mia, ano na natin ang bag?
Wala lang eh.
Huh?
Wala. Gamit lang to.
Bay, kumusta naman ka? Ano, konsum na yung gamot. Nagpuro-puro ka.
Ayun na, paglabot-labot ba? Balik na dito ah.
Uy, konsum na siya.
Sometimes it takes a breaking point to see the truth. When Mia collapsed, the people around her finally saw what she had been silently carrying.
Iya, ginadog mo ba nun sa di ka?
Mia, naman sa ikat. Ano sa ako nabalitaan na kuyakan daw ka?
Hindi lang siya okay. Awa na rito.
In that moment, she was reminded that help exists even when she feels lost.
Mia, wala mi dali para i-judge ka. Wala kami dali tinaka-care mo. Maganda kayo kita ka changes bago.
Iya, if nagamit mo sa usigan, gamit na pinarang hindi ka sa inyo.
In the midst of her mistakes, hope still exists in the people who cared for her, in her courage to begin again, and in every small step she took toward healing.
Iya, hindi man mo kailangan mo pa-control sa drugs. Kaya man mo na labanan. Tabangan ka na mo pag-consolid mo.
Dili man dyan ako gusto nga maabot sa aning nga point. Gusto na ko ang pressure, maundang na. Mahadlok, manggod ko. Pero at the same time, ikapoy na ko tago. Gusto na ko magbago.
Recovery begins with a choice, a small step in the right direction. Mia didn't change overnight, but she made the decision to face what she had been avoiding. She started attending counseling, slowly opening up about the pressure, the mistakes, and the pain she hid for so long. Recovery isn't instant, it's messy, it's painful, but with support, healing becomes possible and she didn't have to face it alone.
Mia, my friend! Kumusta?
Please na kawa na.
Ano naman?
Nagbago na magugi din ako gusto ko.
Some stories end in tragedy, but Mia's story became a testimony that recovery is real and no one heals alone.
Kumusta naman ka? Pero okay naman lagi ka.
Okay na ko, bay. Salamat sa tabang ah.
Some stories are full of struggles, but they don't have to end in defeat. Strength is not in never falling, but in finding the courage to rise again. Mia's story reminds us that change is possible and that no one has to face their battles alone.